What's up, bull market bully fam? Welcome back to another exciting episode where we break down the latest in the financial world. Today, we're diving deep into the Dow Jones Industrial Average, one of the most watched stock market indices in the world. We'll explore why NVIDIA's recent addition to the Dow Jones is a monumental event and what it means for investors. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to stay ahead in the market game and never miss an update. The Dow, established in 1896 by Charles Dow and Edward Jones, is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 30 major U.S. companies across various industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods. It's a key indicator of the nation's economic health, often used by investors and analysts to gauge the overall direction of the stock market. Reflecting the performance of these corporate giants, which are some of the most influential companies in the world. These companies are leaders in their fields, setting trends and driving innovation in their respective industries. Their collective performance offers valuable insight into broader market trends, helping to predict future economic conditions and investment opportunities. Unlike other indices, the Dow is price-weighted. This means companies with higher stock prices have a more significant impact on the index's movements. It's a unique structure that emphasizes the share price over market capitalization. Now let's talk about NVIDIA. Founded in 1993, NVIDIA has become a powerhouse in graphics processing units, GPUs, and artificial intelligence, AI, technologies. Their innovations are driving advancements in gaming, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. Over the years, NVIDIA's stock has seen remarkable growth, reflecting its expanding influence in the tech sector. In November 2024, NVIDIA was added to the Dow, replacing Intel. This move signifies a shift in the semiconductor industry, acknowledging NVIDIA's leadership in AI and high-performance computing. Intel, a Dow component since 1999, has faced challenges adapting to new market demands. NVIDIA's inclusion highlights the evolving landscape of technology and the increasing importance of AI. In summary, the Dow's composition evolves to mirror the changing economy, reflecting the dynamic nature of industries and sectors that drive growth and innovation. NVIDIA's addition underscores the growing significance of AI and advanced computing in today's market. This move highlights how technology companies are becoming central to economic development and market performance. It's a testament to how innovation drives economic progress, pushing boundaries and creating new opportunities for investors and businesses alike. Thanks for tuning in to Bull Market Bully, your go-to source for the latest financial news and market insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights to keep you ahead in the market game. Your engagement helps us bring you the most relevant and timely information. Until next time, stay bullish and keep an eye on those market trends. Stay informed, stay invested, and stay ahead.